Assalamu alaikum. Here we are going to see how the degrees are related to the parts of the clock. We know that a complete circle has 360 degrees and a clock has 12 equal parts. So I need to find what is the degree of one part. For that I need to divide 360 by 12 because whole circle has 360, and if we divide the whole circle into 12 parts, that will give me the degrees for one part. So 12 times 3 is 36. So 360 divided by 12 gives me 30. That shows me that angle for one part is 30. So once I know the angle or the degrees of one part, it's very easy for me to calculate the angle for any number of parts here. See, in this section I can see it's two parts. So that means 30 plus 30 equals 60, or I can do 30 times 20 equals 60. You will go on adding up the degrees, okay? So similarly, 30 times 3 is 90. In the next one, 30 times 4 equals 120. 30 times 5 is 150. 30 times 6 is 180. Now just look at this thing. Here, I have two ways to express it. I can write the bigger portion, that's 30 times 7 equals 210 degree, or you can give me a smaller angle from here. Just count how many parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So you can do 30 times 5 equals 150, okay? Similarly here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to multiply 8 times 30 to give me the bigger portion angle. Or you can count from here, number of parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, that will give me equals 120. Usually the questions that appear in your book, they ask they give you different times, and they have asked the question, which of these times make a 120 degree angle. So here, if you can see here, it's 8 o'clock that makes a 120 degree angle, and if we go a little back, you can see it's 4 o'clock also that makes a 120 degree angle. Okay, so let's move forward. If I go here, it's 9 parts from the bigger side, so I can write 9 times 30 equals 270, or it's 1, 2, 3 parts, and 3 times 3 is 90. So smaller parts is 90 degree. So on, you can go on and on like this. 3 times 10 is 300, or the smaller part gives me 30 times 2 equals 60 degree. And finally here we are left with just one smaller part or bigger 11 parts. Both ways you can express it. When we come to the complete circle, it's exactly o'clock time, whatever time it is, 12 o'clock for example here. So it has completed the whole circle, so you can write the bigger angle 360, or you can write 0 degree because it's just starting now. I hope that clarifies your confusions.